ShoreTel has released a new version of the ShoreTel Mobility client for the Apple iPad. This is a completely new user interface for the iPad and includes new views plus gesture-based operations to easily interact with your calls, messages, contacts and buddies, conferences, and more. The new interface is divided into sections. The top of the interface shows the user's name, current present state, and location. These can be modified as needed by selecting the appropriate item. A custom status note can be entered and is displayed for other users. The Do Not Disturb function is also controlled here. The keypad is used for manually dialing phone calls, and there are icons which displays if the mobility client is registered to the mobility router, and to view or modify the various mobility client settings. The left sidebar can show a variety of information which is controlled by the tabs at the bottom. You can display your contacts and favorites, your list of buddies, a log of your recent calls and instant message sessions, and listen to and manage your voicemail messages. In the center of the interface, we have the launcher icons. These are used to initiate a phone call or start an instant message session. Let's start by placing a basic phone call. We could manually dial the phone number, or we can select a contact or buddy, tap and hold the selection until the box is highlighted, drag the box over to our phone call icon, drop or release it to place the call. When the call is connected, the phone call window is displayed. We can place the call on hold, mute the call, switch to speaker or headset, or bring up the DTMF keypad in case we need to enter codes or make a menu selection. We can also transfer the call or initiate a conference call. I can tap a contact or buddy to display their contact information and tap on their phone number. But there is a new gesture-based method for performing the same action. Simply select one of the contacts and drag it to the active call window until the red outline appears. Release the box and select Transfer or Conference. You are connected to the second caller. Tap Merge to connect the conference. To search for a contact, enter the first few characters and select the contact. The same information is displayed on the buddies screen. You can initiate a phone call, instant message, or even an email. You can also view the call history, instant message sessions, and voicemail messages from this user. To send an instant message, tap on the IM address, or tap and hold the selection until the box is highlighted, and drag the box over to the instant message icon and release to start the session. When one session is in progress, you can minimize that session to the Session Manager bar and then start another session. When you have multiple sessions, just tap on the icon to swap between the sessions. The list of voicemail messages can be viewed and then played by tapping on the message. ShoreTel Mobility for iPad enables users to take advantage of the increased size available on the iPad, easily interact with voice calling and instant messaging capabilities, and switch between communication modes. For more information, go to www.shoretel.com.